Alright guys, in this video we're going to be talking about polygons and the shapes and what we call them and whether they're concave or convex and all that. So if that made no sense to you, that's okay because we will get to that. Alright, so we're going to do this little half sheet that you're going to glue into your interactive student notebook, and at the top of it has polygon basics. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is talk about how we name these polygons. Okay, now just a reminder, a polygon is a closed figure formed by 3 or more sides. Okay, so it's fully enclosed. Okay, and we name polygons with respect to their vertices. So each one of these where 2 sides meet is a vertex. Okay, and the plural for vertex is vertices. So that's what it means, vertices. And we are going to go in consecutive order. So we're going to go all the way around. Now we can go clockwise or counterclockwise, it doesn't matter. So for example, this polygon here, I could call this polygon, I don't know, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, so polygon E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, so I just went around in a clockwise fashion. Doesn't matter where you start, which point you start out, just as long as you name them all. Or I could name it polygon, I don't know, maybe we start at H and we go the other way. Maybe we go counterclockwise. So H, G, F, E, J, I. So H, G, F, E, J, I. This would be totally acceptable as well. Now what we can't do, okay, so I'm going to write up here, can't do, so don't do this, is name it, I don't know, so polygon, I, and then, oh, maybe we can jump to F, and then back down to G, and then maybe E, J, and then H. We cannot do that because these are not in consecutive order. Remember, consecutive means right next to each other. All right, so talking about classifying polygons is you probably know a lot of these, some you may not, but hopefully most of these will be review for you. Okay, so this says the number of sides. It's also the number of angles, also the number of vertices. Okay, so it doesn't matter, whichever you can count easiest. Okay, so a 3-sided polygon you should know as a triangle. Hopefully you know that one at least. 4-sided is a quadrilateral. 5-sided is a pentagon. 6-sided is a hexagon. 7-sided is a heptagon. 8-sided is an octagon. 9-sided is a nonagon. 10-sided is a decagon. 11-sided is a hendecagon. 12-sided is a dodecagon. A 13-sided is a tridecagon. And then n-sided mean any number of sides other than these is just called an n-gon. So seriously, like a 19-sided polygon would be a 9-gon or a 19-gon. All right, so the last thing we're going to cover is convex and concave polygons. Okay, so a convex polygon is a polygon in which all interior angles are less than 180 degrees. So most of the things that we'll be covering in this class will be convex polygons. Okay, so if I look at this, let's do, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a hexagon. So notice that each one of these interior angles is less than 180. Okay, so I would call this a convex, because all angles are less than 180, hexagon, because it has 6 sides. Okay, concave is when at least one angle is greater than 180 degrees. Okay, so what you get is this polygon that looks like this. Okay, so once again, I'm going to count the number of vertices, or you can count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, but notice this angle right here, that's greater than 180 degrees. Okay, if it were 180 degrees, equal to, this would just keep going straight, right? And notice that's beyond the straight line. So that is more than 180. So we would call this a concave because of that one angle, and 7 sides, so it would be a heptagon.